Hello and welcome back to video number 6, and today in this specific video we are going to be discussing Evernote's unique features. And you can access Evernote at evernote.com. That's evernote.com. And Evernote is basically a free and paid application. So they have a free version, a personal version, and they have a paid business version. And this software has multiple uses, from note-taking, task management, and project collaboration. Now, primarily, Evernote will basically allow you to collaborate on notes. So you can actually, let's say, for example, that you are working on a specific note and you have a couple people, actually taking notes at a conference, say, for example. You can actually do that with project collaboration. Now, Evernote is quite simple and easy to use. It basically allows you to kind of create categories, different types of note lists, and then create the notes themselves. So it's actually very, very easy to use. It integrates into many different types of platforms, smartphones and things like that. Now, the good thing about Evernote is that it has the option for offline access. So if you do not have access to the internet, and you want to be taking notes, you can easily do this with ease. It's also downloadable, which has mobile and desktop versions, so you could easily be working on notes and taking notes in a lecture as long as they're okay with you using a laptop or mobile device. You can also use the website application if you want. So they have various different applications that you can use for different scenarios, which is very, very nice. Now, to make sure that you never forget a note or task that you need to do, you can actually set a reminder and it'll set off an alarm via the app or via an email reminder to you. So that way you never forget about a certain note. And there's also an option to secure your notes by encrypting it with a password. So if you have notes that are very sensitive and confidential and have that kind of material, then maybe you want to put a password on it, and maybe you don't want everybody to see it, only certain types, people to see it. Similar to Asana, it has a browser extension called Web Clipper, and if you want to, look for that, you can. But that basically allows you to grab any site and link it as a reference. But unlike Asana, the browser extension is available not just for Chrome, but also for Firefox, Safari, Opera, and Internet Explorer. And that's the thing, Evernote is such a big company that they're able to do a lot more and provide a lot, more types of softwares on different platforms. Now, with your Evernote account, you can also get a unique email, which you can also use to quickly import your notes to Evernote if you're on the go. Now, all you have to do is basically send it over to yourself using that unique email address, and it will actually get sent to your Evernote account, which is nice. So you could turn emails into notes. So if somebody sent you something related to the webinar, to the lecture, to the conference, then you can centralize it into a centralized database of notes. And that's nice, especially later on.